Hello everyone, welcome to Vysh IAS YouTube channel and to the Plums MCQ series. As part of this, we are dealing daily 5 MCQs. So today is episode number 111. CSAT, Math Aptitude Reasoning MCQs will be dealt in this video. So as part of the Plums initiative, we are solving 5 MCQs at 9 p.m. every day. Tuesday, Geography Environment MCQs will be dealt. Wednesday, Polity, Governance and Schemes MCQs are being dealt. Thursday is about Economics, Budget and Survey. Saturday, CSAT, Math, Aptitude and Reasoning. And Sir is also taking MCQs related to Current Affairs, Maps, IR on Sunday, History, Art and Culture on Monday, and Science and Technology on Friday. If you practice the right way, then no one can stop you from clearing this exam. So there are only 2 steps in order to clear UPSC. First step is to subscribe and hit the bell icon and watch all the lectures which are present for free in this YouTube channel, and save this number, that is 7200681675. And if you have any queries or if you need any foundational videos or any guidance, you can ask through this WhatsApp number. Okay, without any further delay, let's start today's video. So let's deal with MCQ number 1. So let me read out question number 1. Let k be a positive integer such that k plus 4 is divisible by 7, then the smallest positive integer n greater than 2 such that k plus 2n is divisible by 7 equal to. So they have given that k is a positive integer and k plus 4 is divisible by 7, and the other data which is given is n is greater than 2 and k plus 2n is also divisible by 7, and we have to find the smallest integer which is greater than 2. Okay, the value of n is something which we have to find out. So as per the question, they have given k plus 4 is divisible by 7. So that's why we have taken k plus 4 in terms of 7. K plus 4 is equal to, we have taken as 7m because it is divisible by 7. So what is the value of k? 7m minus 4. That is what I have written over here. Okay, in the second step. So they have given that k plus 2n is also divisible by 7. So let's substitute the 7m minus 4 in the what we call as k plus 2n. So they have given us k plus 2n is divisible by 7. So k value is 7m minus 4 plus 2n. Okay. 7m is all, however, divisible by 7, but we have to make sure that 2n minus 4 is also divisible by 4, so that this whole number is divisible by 4. Okay, 2n minus 4 is also a multiple of 7. So let's take this value is equal to 7p. Okay, this is what I have written over here. Okay, 2n is nothing but 7p plus 4. Okay, now we have to find out the value of n, the smallest integer value of n which is greater than 2. Okay, let's take p value as 1. If you take p value as 1, 7 plus 4 is nothing but 11. Okay, if we are taking p value as 2, what is the value of n which we get? If you are taking 7 to the 14, 14 plus 4 is 18, 18 by 2 is 9. So n is equal to 9 if we are taking p value as 2. So if we are taking p as 1, n is not an integer. The n value which we are getting is not an integer. So we are taking p is equal to 2. So that answer is n equal to 9. They are asking the smallest integer value. So n is equal to 9 is the correct answer for question number 1. So let's solve question number 2. Every day Ramya's husband meets her at this city railway station at 6 p.m. and drives her to her residence. One day she left early from the office and reached the railway station at 5 p.m. She started walking towards her home, met her husband coming from the residence on the way, and they reached home 10 minutes earlier than the usual time. For how long did she walk? So usually Ramya's husband will pick her from the office and take her to the residence at 6 p.m. But one fine day what happened is at 5 p.m. itself she started her journey. She started to walk, and in the middle way her husband came to her and he picked up and took her to the residence. In this process, they reached the home 10 minutes earlier. We have to find how much time that does Ramya walked earlier. So this is what they have asked us to find. Okay, I hope so you have understood this question. Now let me tell you the answer. So as per the question, Ramya's husband will definitely drives the uniform speed in previous day and this day also. So in overall they have saved 10 minutes time. Okay, he must have saved 5 minutes when he is traveling towards her, and 5 minutes when he's back towards his residence. So 5 minutes time while going to her, 5 minutes time while coming back to the home. This is what the time that he have saved. Okay, if he saved 5 minutes in his return journey, he would have started to return 5 minutes before his actual return time itself. So they must have met 5 minutes before the actual meeting time, that is at 5:55 p.m. they must have met. Okay, because in the journey towards her, he must have saved 5 minutes time, and in the journey towards residence, he must have saved 5 minutes time. It means that he have met her at 5:55 p.m. It means that she must have traveled 55 minutes earlier, because they have met 5:55 and she started her journey at 5 p.m. so that she worked 55 minutes of time. Okay, 55 minutes is the correct answer for the question number 2. I hope so you have understood. If you have not understood, you can pause this slide, like take a screenshot of this slide, and you can read this text so that you will understand it in a detailed fashion. Let's solve the MCQ number 3. A garment shop which sold the same marked price shirts was running an offer which said if one buys 3 shirts, they would get every 4th shirt at a discounted price of 100 rupees only. Dave availed the offer and left shop with 20 shirts after paying 20,000 rupees. What was the marked price of the shirt? So they have told that there is a shop in which all the shirts are marked at the same price. Okay, for example, there are 10 shirts in the shop. Each shirt is marked the same price. Each shirt is having the same price. But what is the offer they have kept? If you're buying the 3 shirts, one shirt will be, you can avail the one shirt at 100 rupees. Okay, the 4th shirt you can avail at the discounted price of 100 rupees. So if you are buying another 3 shirts, again the 4th shirt is also 100 rupees only. So in this way, totally Dev has availed 20 shirts. He have purchased 20 shirts at the rupees 20,000. So what they're asking, we have to find the marked price. What is written on it, we have to find. The actual price of the shirt is something which we have to find. Okay, if you have bought 20 shirts, it means that 15 shirts he have bought for the original price, and 5 shirts he must have bought for the offered price or the discounted price. Okay, 15 shirts he have bought for the original price, and 5 shirts he have bought for the discounted price, because for every 3 shirts one shirt will be at the discounted price. Okay, so 15 shirts into, let's take marked price as M, plus other 5 shirts at 100 rupees is nothing but totally 20,000 rupees. Okay, 15M plus 500 is equal to 20,000. 20,000 minus 500 is nothing but 19,500. So M is nothing but 19,500 by 15. Okay, if you are calculating this, you will get the correct answer. 19,500 by 15 is nothing but 1300. So 1300 is the correct answer for the question number 3. So let's solve MCQ number 4. Out of the 8 consonants and 5 vowels, how many words can be made, each containing 4 consonants and 3 vowels? So they have given that. So we have to make a word which contains 7 letters. Okay, in which 4 should be consonants and 3 should be vowels. How we have to pick up this 4 vowels and 4 consonants and 3 vowels? Out of 8 consonants, we have to pick 4 consonants. Out of 5 vowels, we have to pick 3 vowels. Okay, this is the this is something which they have mentioned. So out of 8 consonants, if we are picking up 4 consonants, it is nothing but 8C4 into out of 5 vowels, we have to pick 3 vowels, and we have to arrange this 7 letters in among themselves. So it is nothing but 7 factorial. Okay, we have to calculate this value. 8C4 into 5C3 into 7 factorial is something which we have to calculate. 8C4 is nothing but 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into this total value into 5C3. 5C3 is nothing but 5 into 4 into 3 by 1 into 2. So if you are calculating this total value, you'll get it as 700. And this value we have to multiply it with 7 factorial. So 7 factorial into 700 is nothing but 35,000. 352,800. This is the final answer for the question number 4. Now let's solve MCQ number 5. The average of 7 consecutive numbers is A. If the next 3 numbers are also added, the average shall be. Okay. Let's take the numbers as A minus 3. Okay. A minus 2. A minus, because they have told us the consecutive numbers. So that's why I'm taking this one. A plus 1, A plus 2 and A plus 3. So these are nothing but the 7 consecutive numbers. You can take A plus 1, A plus 2, A plus 3 also. But if you are taking it in a this way, it is easier to get, easier to solve the problem, because the cancellation can take place. So it is easier to solve this problem. So sum of the numbers. If you are adding the, if you are adding all these numbers, definitely this 3 and this 3 get cancelled, this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled, this 1 and this 1 get cancelled, and there are 7 A's that are left out. So average is 7A by 7 numbers. So average will be definitely A. Okay. If you are adding to this, if you are adding next 3 numbers, that is A plus 4, A plus 5 and A plus 6, what will happen? The average of this 10 numbers. What will be the average of this 10 numbers? This is what they are asking us. Okay. So the sum of this 7 numbers is nothing but 7A plus, we are adding A plus 4 plus A plus 5 plus A plus 6 by 10. This is what we have to find out. 7A plus A, 8A, 8A plus A, 9A, 9A plus A, 10A. 10A plus 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15, 15 by 10. So if you are calculating it, so what will happen? This 10 and this 10 gets cancelled, and A plus 15 by 10 is nothing but 1.5. So A plus 1.5 will be the final answer. So there will be the increase of 1.5. So in the options, if you see, in option number C, they have given that the average will increase by 1.5. Okay, this is the correct answer for MCQ number 5. So this is the final question for today. I hope so you have understood this series. So I have taken some of the difficult questions in today's series. So if you are not understanding any problem, try to listen the video once again, pause the video near to the solutions, and try to read the solutions and try to practice it on your own. This will definitely help you out. Okay, in the next episode, that is tomorrow, we'll again meet with definitely with daily 5 MCQs again. Please subscribe to this channel and stay tuned to Vysh IAS YouTube channel. Thank you everyone. Keep smiling. Bye bye.